In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an account in Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and search for the Quotex official website, which is qxbroker.com. On the homepage, look at the top right corner and click the sign up. This will forward you to a new page. All you have to do is super simple. You need to enter your email address, create a strong password, select your currency, choose carefully because this usually cannot be changed later. To make the account creation faster, you can also sign up using your Google account, and after filling everything in, accept the terms and conditions and click the registration button. And at the same time, you will receive an email confirming that your account has been fully verified. Okay? And with that being said, and basically that's it for today's video on how to create a trading account on Quotex. In a separate video, we will walk you through the full verification process so you can unlock all the tools and features available on the platform. So make sure to check it out on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.